Thank you for choosing the iSpring DGF2 series gravity-fed stainless steel countertop water filter system. With proper setup and maintenance, this water filter will provide you with clean and refreshing drinking water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we begin, please verify that all parts are included in the package. Wash your hands thoroughly to prevent contamination of the filtration system components during assembly. Filter flushing. Step 1. Assemble the faucet adapter and the tubing adapter. The faucet adapter can be adjusted to fit different sizes. Install the adapter onto a faucet. Step 2. Insert one end of the silicone tube into the tubing adapter. Insert the other end of the silicone tube into the water filter outlet. Step 3. Slowly turn on the faucet and gradually increase the water flow. Allow the filter to flush for at least 1 minute. Use the same procedure to flush the other filter. Installation. Step 1. Take out the lower chamber and install the spigot on the opening of the lower chamber. Insert the end of the spigot with one silicone washer and a stainless steel washer into the opening on the outside of the chamber. Slip on another silicone washer and stainless steel washer on the inside of the chamber and secure it with the nut. Step 2. Remove the filters and unscrew the locking nuts from their threads. Insert each threaded filter into the hole at the bottom of the upper chamber and secure the filter by reattaching the locking nut to the thread. Repeat this process to install the remaining filters. Do not over-tighten the locking nuts. Step 3. Take out the wooden base, insert the center grooves into each other at a 90-degree angle, and then fasten the provided screws into the center hole to secure it. Step 4. Place the wooden base in the desired location. Install the silicone pad on the bottom of the lower chamber and position it in the center of the base. Then, place the upper chamber onto the lower chamber. Step 5. Pour source water into the upper chamber to begin filtration, then cover it with the lid. Please note, each set of filters is designed to treat up to 6,000 gallons of water. To reserve the filters when not in use, please remove the filters from the chamber. Let dry and place the filters in a sealed zipper bag. Then keep the bag refrigerated. Replace the filters at least once per year. Congratulations! Your iSpring DGF2 series gravity-fed stainless steel countertop water filter system is ready for use. Please replace the filter cartridge accordingly. Refer to the user manual for maintenance details or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.